India's Femina Miss India 2017. I hope everybody has got the view. We are going live. Shunjan, are we live?
Yes.
Oh, great. Okay, I never get to know when we are live. So,
Yes, we are
always
live.
caught in the wrong moment when we start. So, we're doing this for the first time. So, kindly excuse us for anything that we don't do correctly today. But we're really excited for the launch of the new edition of Miss India, new edition of Colors FBB Femina Miss India 2017. And do you know how many years we are doing this amazing, the most credible pageant of our country? Anybody? Besides the panel here. Sorry? 30, I'm not talking about my age. Sorry? Absolutely. So those who actually read the newspapers, if you've seen the ad today, there's a huge ad that we have got the sanction for from the Times of India group to release on the new edition. We have completed, rather we are in the 54th edition of Colors FBB Femina, sorry, FBB Colors Femina Miss India 2017. So excuse me guys if I make errors and mistakes, but coming back to 54 years, it has been really long, and I just joined the company a couple of years back, and looking at the lineage, the heritage of this property, I am extremely proud. In fact, talking on behalf of my team, talking on behalf of Miss India organization, we're extremely proud to be associated, working day and night for this property to bring it to life every year. And I think many people don't know what happens behind the scenes. Many people just see it at the face of it, see it as perfection, or see it as something that is unachievable, or see it as something that they would dream to do, but is it really possible to achieve? You know, there are many things that, there are a lot of perceptions about the property that exist, and we want to actually talk about it. The agenda of this entire meet was to talk about what we are doing different this year, why are we doing it, and why have such esteemed partners come on board to actually take this property forward. So, everything happens for a reason, and we've had the first Miss India. Do you know when the first Miss India really happened? The first Miss India ever, since it was 54 years back. Come on, maths guys. 19 what? So the first Miss India was 1964, for the week in mathematics. Everybody is, I think, weak here, but the week in numbers. So we had the first Miss India, who was Meher Castellino, 1964. Okay, and that lady, my God, when she walks into the room, she's a head turner even today. And when we look at her, we are like, wow, I wish when I grow old, I'm not yet old. Okay, when I grow old, or when I reach that stage in my life, I would want to represent beauty, or represent elegance, let's put it that way, like this lady here. I mean, whenever I see her, there are so many people associated with Miss India, with, in the past few, years that I have come across. I've had the privilege to meet such as Sabira Merchant and Sandesh Maikar and Jamuna Pai, who are associated for like 20 years. They don't want to leave the Miss Indias and our beauty pageants that they do. They're so passionate about it, and when we see them, we feel like, wow, if they can love Miss Indias so much, we are nothing. So the love that they receive, not only from their fans and from the country, it is internationally, as well as the people who are working. They treat them like their own kids who are growing up and representing India at an international level. So coming back to the new format, right? We are all saying we are changing, hashtag we are changing. And you all have posed nicely with that slate over there. Have you all done that?
Yes.
Right, so if you have done that, I'm sure you know why you're here. We're talking about how we are changing. Before I go there, I would want to thank two very, very important partners. The first being FBB, who is our title partner. Can we give it up for our title partner? Come on. It takes, as I said, that our title partner FBB, which is India's fashion hub, making India thoda aur stylish, is their motto. and they have actually partnered with us. It's been the past 3 glorious years that they've been with us, and we've just signed the money alliance agreement. The money comes from FBB, yeah. So we've just signed another 3 years, another 3 glorious years, and we just want to change the game. And how are we going to change the game? Before I actually move forward, the first game changer was that how do we kind of make this happen and change the game? It was, we wanted to not do closed door auditions anymore. So we used to do closed door auditions for various reasons. There used to be various rounds that the girls were put through, which was based on beauty, of course. It's a beauty pageant, right? So beauty is primary. On fitness, on intellect, on their passion to join the brand, and who could actually, hold the weight on their shoulders to participate internationally, who were ready to represent the country. So there were various parameters that we judged them on while they proceed to undergo grooming and training with so many experts that are on board with Miss India. So we said, no more closed door auditions. We want our country to come and watch what happens behind the doors. Watch what do we do, how we select, how we come to the top 3 of every state. By the way, the first question is, how many states are there in India?
Okay, let's go.
Sorry? 20? Sorry. Whoever answers correctly gets a juicy kiss from me. Sorry? 27? Sorry.
29.
28.
Right. Times of India people cannot answer this question because I'll tell you what. Because of this new format, okay, we actually went back to our 5th and 6th grade to understand the geography of our country. Just to let you all know, we forget what we studied in school. Alright, of course, India has transformed as a country. The geography, the map has changed. If you would go back and see your maps. Okay, we have 29 states to be specific and 7 union territories. See, this is what I learned from showing off, yeah, thank you. So I'm going to just show off a little bit here and there. So just because I've done my homework, I don't expect you to do it. We love Miss India, so we kind of have to do this. It's our job. We get our salaries from it. But coming back to Miss India, FBB Colors Femina Miss India 2017, we want to make sure that we want to explain to you why there are 30 positions or 30 state winners and not 29. There are 30 FBB Colors Femina Miss India 2017 finalists who will join us for the grand finale in Mumbai in June. That includes the capital city of our country, that is Delhi. Delhi is a place which we cannot let go of because we've seen our maximum winners come from, participate from that territory. It's actually, what do you call that? National capital, NCR. It's called the NCR. See, I'm trying to also show off a little geography that I read. So it's an NCR. It's not even a state, but it has a population of 1.3 crores, being an NCR. So we said we are going to include that as part of our 30 states this year and call it 30 finalists who will represent their state at the grand finale in Mumbai. But what are we doing? We are going to our 4 big zones. So we are headed to the South Zone, where we are going to be conducting auditions in 5 states. Now I'm going to be talking about numbers so that you know that there are 5 states in the South, teaching you geography a little bit. There are 5 states in the South, so there will be 5 crown holders who will come from the South. From the East section, which is our next destination, we are going to have a total of 13 crowns because there are 13 states, and for the first time ever, the 7 Northeast sisters, that is, they call it the Northeast sisters, are going to get a direct spot into the finals. They would never even make it to the top 50 or the top 70, but there will be 7 positions for the Northeast section, and of course 7 plus 6 is 13, is that correct? Okay, so 6 from the East section. So we're going to have 13 crowns from the East section. Coming to the West, we have 4 state crownings of the West, and for the North we have 8, including Delhi. So there are going to be a total of 30 crowns. Everybody's calculating. I don't know if I calculate come to 30. Everybody's doing that. I can see it. Okay. So there are 30 total crowns that we are going to be actually giving out this year. So this is an opportunity for so many girls who have never got the chance to make it, because you can be the top 3 at your state at the FPB store which we have selected in that particular city. So this is the time. Everyone, your mummy, daddy, kaka, kaki, chacha, chachi, all can come and watch the audition, can see what is happening, and they can come to the FBB store and actually watch the audition live. Of course, we update through our pictures, we update through our videos on our page, which is missindia.in. And you guys, since you're not traveling there, can please keep a watch out for it. We would love for you to write about it, talk about it, because we're going to be definitely creating a lot of stories. We may make mistakes, we may win some hearts, we may get some tears out, because it is definitely a very emotional game for the participants, for the contestants who come and participate at this platform. It's an emotional journey for many of them. So we want you to capture that. We want you to watch it through our eyes if you can't physically be there. So please do come and participate, write about it from your various zones, the states that you are cheering for, because this time we have kept it in your hands. Actually, we have jury, we have Bollywood stars who will come from the sports fields, who will come from the entertainment industry, who will be there training the girls from the fashion industry, who actually know what it is to be Miss India, because they know what it takes. They are the ones who actually groom and train these girls, so they understand what it takes. The Miss India organization is going to be watching closely what's going to happen, and of course we're leaving the decision in your hands. So this is the time to really make it happen. And the next question I would like to, I'm sure one of you is going to definitely ask is, we haven't won a crown. We haven't won an international crown for 16 years. The last time we won a crown of Miss World was back in 2000. Right? That was who? Come on, guys. मैं ही बात कर रही हूँ. Okay, so it was Priyanka Chopra, who of course is doing so well. We've got a lot of women who have been crowned after that and who have done superbly well in their careers. We are very proud to have associated with them, because they have gone and done some amazing work in their respective fields. It could not be Bollywood, but it could be various other, industries that they have prospered in. There was this lady who called me up today, Anjana. She was a Miss India back in the days, and she saw the ad and she called me up. She is a very famous painter back in Delhi, and she was like, I'm so happy that Miss India has done this for the first time. So I hope she's watching. So she actually said that I'm so happy that 30 girls will get the opportunity, and this time it will be one girl per state. So it never happened before, because maximum of our winners came from Bombay, Delhi, Bangalore, Pune, Nagpur, and the first one who came from the east section. And a lot of times we've had many states which were neglected because there were not so much participation that came. It was based on talent. But this time there is hope. So I would request every girl to watch out for this, because it's an equal opportunity now, and I think we should not lose out on this amazing platform, which definitely has made such beautiful women, whether they have entered Bollywood, entertainment, businesses, NGOs, charity. I mean, Salina Jetli right now is tied up with UNICEF. I mean, she's making a big name in the UN. We don't know what is Salina doing here, but everybody is doing some amazing work, because they are such strong women. They've been given this strong backing by the Times of India group for so many years. I think I've spoken a lot now, and I'm going to quickly tell you the next game changer. So are we good with the first one that we spoke about? That's FBB. Second is your 30 states. And I would, before I proceed to the third game changer, I would like to also talk about Colors. Colors has been with us for the past 5 years now. And Colors is the #1 entertainment channel of this country. And we want, Colors this time has even promised us that, we want to thank Mr. Raj Nayak, of course, that they're going to be taking this pageant to every state, to every 3-tier, 2-tier city where Colors exists, possibly. to make sure that those 30 girls get their due, because everyone is a winner as per us. We don't consider just the 3 crown holders who actually come at the grand finale. There are so many women who have never won a title. I can name so many. But participating in the pageant, have started their journey from there, learned and groomed from there, and are our stars today. And to name a few, some of them I'm going to be talking about right now as we proceed to the next game changer. We have 4 strong women who have actually been there, done that as Miss Indias in their past, in the past few years. Of course, I can't say that they were Miss Indias many years back. I've been told not to, because they are yet young. They're 18 till they die, and we wanted them to actually come in front and be the face mentor of their respective zones. So now those women who have experienced the journey will also front face these women and get them up to speed, so their zones can actually go ahead and possibly win the top 3 crowns, as we call it, and participate in the pageant gracefully, beautifully, learn something from this pageant and go back. So it's never going to be a loss for anybody, it's going to be a win-win. So talking about my 4 mentors, really quick, let's start with our South Zone mentor. Shrinjan, can you play the audio visual, please?
After winning the Miss India crown in 2008, she was crowned the first runner-up at Miss World 2008. A true blue South siren, she has showcased her acting skills in many South movies, including the likes of Bella 2, KQ, Nambia, etc. She has also worked in Bollywood movies and television shows. She is none other than the mentor of the South Zone, Parvati Onnakuttan.
Wow. Okay. So she's stunning. Okay. And in fact, this is after I joined the Miss India organization, and because it's my job, I had to find out who the previous year Miss Indias were. I mean, nowadays we don't even have that recall value, and I want all of us sitting in this room to make that happen. Because she actually, Parvati Onnakuttan, she went to Miss World in 2008, and she actually won us the first runner-up title for our country, and many of us don't even know that, because usually we always reckon with the title holder and all of that, and it's not easy to win titles every year and then. And I think she is one stunning lady from the South that is going to be mentoring the girls, is going to be judging and figuring out who those 5 state winners would be from her zone. So she's our first mentor. We're going to be proceeding to the East Zone next. So let us quickly, Shrinjan, introduce them to our East Zone mentor.
An Indian supermodel and actress, she has won the Miss Photogenic title during Miss India 1998. From walking the ramp for major designers to starring in movies like 16 December, Ladies vs. Ricky Behel, Jodi Breakers, her journey has been an inspiring one, and the aspiring models will have a lot to learn from her. She is none other than the mentor of the East Zone, Dipalita Sharma.
Right, she is born in Assam, and she's really made the country proud. As we said, that she's based out of Delhi, and she has worked for some top brands, top designers of the country, a supermodel in her own right, and she's definitely going to take the East section by storm, because as I said, there are 13 crowns from the East Zone. So we're really looking forward for her to take forward and groom the girls so that they are better prepared when they come for the grand final in Mumbai. Let's go ahead to our next zone mentor, which is our North Zone mentor. North Zone mentor, Shrinjan. Play the audio visual, please.
Many know her as a fashionista, a former Miss Universe India, an actress, and also a talk show host. She has donned many hats over the period of time and proved her prowess in everything she does. She is none other than the mentor of the North Zone, the charismatic Neha Dhupia.
Right. Lopez nicely telling me on the side who was looking hotter. The judging has already started. I'm just kidding. All right. So, so that I don't need to really talk about Neha. I'm sure we all know who Neha Dhupia is. She dons so many caps. She's been an actress. She's been an anchor. She's been a television host. She's been a Miss India winner. And we're really glad that she's here for the North section because I know she's going to take the North states, all of them, the eight states by storm. She's not going to leave any stone unturned. That's what she's told me, to make sure that someone from the North again takes back the. So let's hope that Neha achieves that for her sake. And let's go ahead to our last mentor from the West Zone, Shinjan.
Her smile has all the ingredients to melt down a million hearts. She started her modeling career at a tender age. This former Miss India finalist doesn't age at all. She recently debuted her Bollywood career starring opposite Shah Rukh Khan in Fan. Make some noise for the mentor of the West Zone, the beautiful Valusha D'Souza.
Right, so that was our fourth mentor. I can't get more mentors now. Yeah? There are 4 zones of the country. So these are our 4 mentors, and Valusha has taken over that cap, and she's going to head the West Zone. And we're going to make sure that, she's going to rather make sure that her zone state winners actually get the best grooming possible, because now she's going to be, in this area. So usually they say, winners come from Bombay, Delhi, Bangalore, so they all want to keep their crowns and their the name running, and they're going to be actually training the girls really hard. So hoping that they succeed. We wish all 4 zone mentors all the best.